Okay, we're going to start off. I have a mortar and pestle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 vitamin C tablets, which are each 500 milligrams, in my mortar and pestle, and I'm going to crush them into a powder. So, we want it to be as fine as we possibly can so that it easily is able to dissolve. So I'm going to put that down for a second so that I can So as you can see, it is a tiny powder now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, how much? Okay, I'm going to put all the powder from the first cup. What powder goes put in the first cup? Okay, I put all of the powder in the first cup. So I go over here and I dump my powder into the first cup. Then I have to add 60 milliliters of water. So I'm going to take my 60 milliliters of warmish water and I'm going to put it in cup A. Then I'm going to take that and I'm going to mix it around. I'm going to mix it for about 30 seconds here until most of it is dissolved. Come on, vitamin C. Come on, vitamin C. Okay, so I've got my mixed up vitamin C. The next step on my procedure is I'm going to put 1 teaspoon from cup A into cup B. So I'm going to grab my teaspoon marker here. I'm going to go in. Dang it. I'm going to take my 1 teaspoon, and there goes into cup B. Then I add 60 milliliters of warm water and 1 teaspoon of iodine. I'm going to put 60 milliliters into that same cup, and then I'm going to grab my Top Care iodine, and I'm going to put it 1 teaspoon into the cup. Let me see if I can do this. I wish I had an extra hand. I got my iodine. I'm going to put it in, and then I'm going to mix it. Take note of what happens. So now, I have cup B that has iodine, water, and vitamin C that's been diluted into cup C. Oh no, I dropped it on there. Mix 60 milliliters of warm water, 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. So 60 milliliters of water again. I'm going to take my hydrogen peroxide and I'm going to put it in cup C. And a half teaspoon. So I need to go to 1/4 teaspoon because I don't have a half. And I'm going to put in liquid starch. Oh. 1 and 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my camera over here. So hopefully you're able to see what happens here. I'm going to take my 2 And I'm going to mix, 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 mix. And sometimes it goes very quickly. Sometimes we need to wait.
Let's see.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now, what I'm going to do, can you guys see it now?
Yeah.
I'm going to hold it there and wait for a second. Can you guys, let me see if you can see. No, you can't. I'm going to hold it up there so you guys can see the liquid. I'm going to hold it here so that the camera can see the liquid. And we're just going to wait a second. Hopefully it'll go. Ugh. Come on, you can do it. Come on, liquid. It's going to make a liar out of me. This is going to be the first time it doesn't do it. Come on. This one's a pain in the butt. I'm sorry, guys. I swear, the second I stop recording, it's gonna go. Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue recording these when my next class comes in. Make sure that you guys keep an eye out for the videos coming out. I'm going to put them on the stream for anybody that needs them. Answer at least questions 6 through 8 on the conclusions. And then we will get together and watch the rest of the videos the other days. You guys are going to have a little bit of homework just because I can't spend any more time in class. But for now, it is actually almost time for you guys to go to lunch. So keep an eye out for the video to come,